Your public wall is an online place to show your artworks to the world. All the people with whom you share this URL will be able to see your public wall. But on the other hand, a search engine online won't be able to find it. So it's up to you to get it out there. And we really encourage you to get creative with all the options to copy your URL. You can include it to your mailing campaigns, put it on your Facebook, or do just like Peter Lemmens did. This artist and co-founder of Amyart.app implemented the link to his Amy public wall on his artist website, and as you can see, the artworks are presented in a very clear way. So you get the key of my message? My advice is to implement the URL of your public wall in as many digital communication channels as possible. Now let me show you how we do all this. Your public wall is an exceptional action in Amy. You can't create it by clicking on the plus, like other actions. And this for the simple reason that there's only one public wall. So you just click on actions, and in the upper left corner you will always find your public wall. You click on it to open it, and here you are. On the left side you see all of your artworks, and you simply drag and drop your artworks into your public wall. And of course you can also do a basic or an advanced search to find specific artworks. Now once you have your artworks listed, you may want to change the order. You just grab the artwork by clicking on this icon and drop it at its right position. And of course, you can also delete artworks by a simple click on the trash can. Now we're first gonna fill out the information tab, which is pretty important. Right here you can create a value of your liking. For instance, last update. And then you see your settings, where you have to activate the sliders of what you want to show on your public wall. I suggest to show the logo, footer, caption and edition. And of course you can also choose to show the retail price, for instance. The choice is up to you. Now as this is done, we can close this tab and we can go and focus on our public wall. You go there by clicking on this link icon at the upper right corner. Just click on it to open it and see your public wall. You see your artworks. You can click on these three little dots to see the complete caption. You can click on the image to see it larger. And if you have more than one image, you will see the other images here by this icon. The nice thing is, you can copy and paste this URL anywhere. For instance, on your website or Facebook page, or even your mailing campaigns, so that people can dive into your artworks. Now, as you can see, I have my logo and footer visible on my public wall. You can manage this in your layout settings. Just go to the menu, click on Layout, and set up the layout settings for public wall. If you need some guidance, please watch the tutorial Layout Settings for Public Wall. Of course, you can also export this public wall to a PDF or Excel file. To learn how to do that, I advise you to watch the tutorial about creating documents. Alright, by now I have explained everything about the public wall, so now it's up to you to get started using it and get your artworks out there. Good luck! Should you still have questions, don't hesitate to drop us a line at contact@amyart.app.